Alright, let's cut through the hype and talk about Google One AI plans in 2026. Are they legit, or is Google just playing us with all these upgrades and credits? So, here's what's up. In April, Google surprised everyone by boosting their mid-tier AI Pro plan from 2 terabytes to 5 terabytes, no price hike. Honestly, that's a huge step up if you're storing loads of files or running a cloud-based business. Here's how the plans stack up. AI Plus at $7.99 a month gets you 200 gigs and 200 AI credits, but those credits, they disappear fast, especially if you're generating high-quality videos. AI Pro, at $19.99, now gives you 5 terabytes and 1,000 credits, plus deep research tools and Chrome Auto Browse, which literally lets AI fill forms and plan trips for you. Then there's AI Ultra at a wild $249.99. If you need 30 terabytes and Hollywood-level video, this is your playground, but it's totally overkill for most people. Now let's talk about some real concerns. People are calling out Google for sneaky trial practices. If you use a free trial, your old plan might get auto-canceled, and going back can be a nightmare. Plus, on the AI Plus plan, once you hit your daily message or credit limit, you're either throttled down to the slower model or you're just cut off, and there's no topping up unless you pay more and upgrade. So, what's the verdict? Google One AI plans aren't a scam, they're packed with value, especially if you use Google's Workspace tools every day. But if you're only after cloud storage, all these AI features might end up costing you more than you need. Bottom line, check your usage. These plans are legit, but only if you actually use what you're paying for.